Do you know how to mastering advanced filters in Excel? I have prepared one good tips and tricks for you. In this example, we will extract the specific data from our table. Just suppose that we have a data table that contains various information. And we want to pull out details like customer name, in this case epsilon FCC, and item LED bubbles. To do this, we will go to the sheet that contains the criteria we want to use for filtering the data. First, go to the Data tab in Excel. In the Data tab, choose Advanced Filter. In the Advanced Filter window, click on the option to set the list range. For the list range, navigate to the sheet where your data table is located and select the entire table. The next step is to specify the criteria range. Since our criteria are customer name epsilon LCC and item LED bulbous, we will select these cells. Then, decide whatever you want to copy this filter data. In this case, we do want to copy it to another location. Select the target location for the copied data under the Copy to field and click OK. Now, you will see that the information meeting the criteria, such as customer name, epsilon LCC, and the item LED bulbous, has been successfully extracted from the original data table. Perfect, that is amazing. We have just used one best practices trick for our advanced filter. Guys, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.